Hello guys, in this series I am going to tell you about MySQL. I will tell you what is MySQL, why we use MySQL and how we are going to use MySQL. Before we start, let's take you a step back and talk about a general question that is pretty central to everything which I am going to tell you in my upcoming videos. And the question is, what is a database? This is a straightforward question, but there is something that we need to discuss before starting MySQL. As the question is straightforward, answer is also simple. It is a collection of data. There are all sorts of collection of data around us in the real world. Things like a list of items you prepare whenever you go to buy something from grocery store that qualifies the property of a small database, or a record of a student maintained by the university also qualifies the property of database. Another example is a phone book, usually organized by names alphabetically for people. This is a large database in which you search for phone number until you find the name. Let's suppose you want to search Ramesh. First you search names starting with R, then you can search Ramesh. In my opinion, database is not just collection of data. It contains a method for accessing and manipulating that data. If we go back to our grocery list and if you wanted to modify or add an item in your list, you can do that. But in case of virtual world, you need some code to modify your database. If you read about database on internet, you may have come across the term database management system or relational database management system. That's what I have right here on my screen, database versus database management system. There are two things, that having a data collection and then having an interface. Let me take an example. Let's suppose you have a dating application and you have a database for it, and you are storing all sorts of information like name, photos, images that have been sent for all the different users. But if a user wants to change its name, profile photo, or if they wanted to delete his profile from the application, how can we do these modification in our database? Database management system or DBMS allows us to interact with our database. Means we talk with DBMS and DBMS talks with our database. So here I have a list of most common database management system: MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite. So here I have one more definition of database, that it is a structured set of data with an accessible interface. We are going to talk about one more question, is what is SQL and what is MySQL. So let's start with SQL or SQL, I would say. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So SQL is a language when we talk to our databases. It is the method of accessing and modifying our data in databases. Suppose if I say find all students or find all students who are above 15 years. Add a student or delete a student. These are the humanized version of SQL commands. These are the things that we use SQL to do. So we write these lines in the form of queries, and then SQL talks to our databases. So here are few queries in English version and in SQL commands. Find all students will be written as select star from student semicolon, and find all students who are above 15 will be written as select star from student where age is greater than 15 semicolon. These queries will be going to interact with our databases. SQL works on the top of MySQL. Actually, MySQL is a software which keeps our database organized. So whenever we say we are working with MySQL, that means we are writing SQL. So MySQL is a database management system or relational database management system, and there are many relational database management system out there. Some of them are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. All these database management system uses SQL to access and manipulate data in database. So here is MySQL command and here is PostgreSQL command. Both are different database management system, but both uses SQL to interact with databases. Once you learn SQL, then it's not difficult to switch to another database management system that uses SQL. Even the syntax are similar in different database management system, but there are features that makes all database management system different. Like how fast is the DBMS, how many permission it is giving to its user. So this is about MySQL and SQL. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. See you in the next video.